Meaning of flexible friend.
Flexible friend.
Flexible friend.
Flexible friend.
Flexible friend. Flexible friend is a slang term used to refer to a credit card. The term comes from the idea that one's credit card can be a friend in times of need, particularly when one needs to flex or show off their purchasing power. While credit cards can certainly be useful for making purchases and building credit, they can also lead to debt if not used responsibly. It is important to remember that credit cards are not a substitute for financial responsibility and proper budgeting.